I'm going to show you one of our Ralston Quick-test adapters. This is the NPT female Ralston Quick-test adapter. It has female NPT on one side, and on the other side it has male Ralston Quick-test. This will convert any male NPT connection to Ralston Quick-test. This fitting is great for connecting your test gauge on the end of a hose, allowing you to position your test gauge so that it's easier to read during pressure calibrations. To install, start by applying thread tape to the threads of your pressure gauge. Then thread the adapter onto the test gauge and secure it with a wrench. From now on, you can use just your fingers to connect to a Ralston Quick-test hose without using any tools or thread tape. This allows you to position your gauge for easy reading in case the process connection is projecting sideways or upside down. Now let's apply about 2,000 psi of pressure. The Ralston Quick-test system makes a quick, leak-free connection thanks to the integrated O-ring pressure seals, and unlike some designs, these fittings won't weep. When you're done, if you forget to vent the pressure off with a valve, the Ralston Quick-test connection will safely self-vent instead of blowing off. This also makes it very easy to store your test gauges separately from your manifolds or hand pumps. NPT female quick-test adapters are available in a range of NPT sizes, with or without an integrated check valve. Adapters come in brass and stainless steel, so if you have chemical compatibility issues, such as sour gas, then use our stainless steel adapters. You can also use this adapter with the optional integrated check valve to connect to a pressurized system for quick pressure checks without a valve.